Hello students! Today we learn about countable and uncountable nouns with Martina, Alejandro, and Gaby.
Okay, so first of all, countable nouns, we can count them using numbers. On the other hand, uncountable nouns are a small part of something bigger. They are no individual objects, or they can be abstract ideas or qualities.
First, let's have a look at countable nouns.
Okay, so keep in mind these four important aspects regarding countable nouns. Countable nouns, you can count them with numbers. They have singular and plural form. You use the determiners a or n. The last important thing is that you use singular verbs with singular nouns and use plural verbs with plural nouns.
To ask about countable nouns, we ask how many, take a look at this example.
How many eggs do we have?
3. To understand better, let's have a look at this example. How many balloons are in this room? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Please note that balloons is a plural noun. Therefore, we use the plural verb are.
Now let's look at uncountable nouns.
Okay, so 4 things to consider when using uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are things we cannot count with numbers. Abstract ideas and qualities. There is no plural version, and they only use single verbs.
To ask about uncountable nouns, we use how much.
For example, for milk we say how much milk, for wine we say how much wine, and for bread we will say how much bread. Let's have a closer look at the grammatical rules. Countable versus uncountable nouns. Let's compare the plural forms. For countable nouns, we simply add an S sound. For example, egg, eggs, or dress, dresses. Or we simply change the vowel, man, man. On the other hand, for uncountable nouns, we cannot say rice, rices. We cannot say milk, milks. Evidence, plural evidences.
Now let's take a look at the determiners. For countable nouns, we would say a house, an apple. However, for uncountable nouns, we couldn't say 2 rices. We would just say rice. We wouldn't say a milk. We would just say milk. We wouldn't say 3 cheeses. We would just say cheese. Congratulations! You just ended our beginner's course on countable and uncountable nouns. Thank you very much for paying attention. Bye!